First, I would like to give you an overview of our course site and where you will find course content. As you know, this course is entirely online, so it is essential that you are able to locate all of the course content, assignments, discussion board, musical examples, and other materials. In the announcements area, I will post updates about due dates and information about the course. This is a good place to check whenever you log on to Blackboard. It will always present the latest course material and assignments. Here, you will find in the syllabus area, you will find important course documents, including the syllabus. Please read through the syllabus carefully. This is your guide to the course. It has all the information you need regarding the course schedule and assignments. In the week-by-week area, you will find all of the weekly readings and musical examples for the course. Each week is clearly labeled with its dates and corresponds to the syllabus schedule. Click on each folder to see the readings and music, also labeled by dates. These are labeled with dates to help you manage your time and keep up with the course material at a steady pace. Try to avoid getting too far behind and reading all the text and listening to all the music in one day. In the discussion board area, you will post regularly about course materials. The discussion board topics will relate to readings and musical examples. This tool is for you to engage with the music and course materials in an informal way. All of the work here counts towards your overall participation grade. Also in the discussion board, you will find a Q&A forum. This is an open forum for general course questions. Please post your questions to this forum and I will respond to them within 24 to 48 hours. I recommend that you post your general questions here so that other students can benefit from them. Many times, students have the same questions. If your question is specific to you as an individual, please contact me via email. You can email me by clicking the email tool to the left and then clicking the instructor email choice. Assignments. In the assignments area, you will find individual assignments for the course. This is for your formal assignments such as listening assignments, short essays, and your concert report, and of course your exams. Last, in my grades area, you'll be able to keep track of your progress in the course in this grades area. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to working with you this semester.